Guys, welcome to my new video, and in today's video it'll be about the gear of your car. So we'll be discussing why the gear shifting in your car becomes hard. So what happens, basically the process when you want to change the gear, you basically press the clutch pedal and then you engage the gear, whichever gear you want. So basically what happens when you press this clutch cable, the engine becomes free from the power, so your engine is not engaging, and your vehicle and transmission becomes free. So what happens for the if you ask me why, what are the reasons that manual transmission is hard to shift, sometimes it becomes very tight to shift the gears. So there might be problems due to, mainly if your clutch has worn out, and if your clutch system has issues with your cylinders. But the most common problem is your clutch has worn out after driving like more kilometers in your vehicle, and if you are using too much clutch in your vehicle, uh, the clutch plates get worn out, and that might be one of the main cause for hard gear shifts. Second one, the problem might be in your gear synchronizer ring, so that might be one issue. Or third one, hub sleeve problems. Or fourth one, gear sleeve problem, like gear hub problem. And fifth one might be gear oil issue. This does contain some fluid, that is gear oil, that might be low in level, so that might be one of the reason. So summing up, there are basically 6 points: the clutch system, which involves your clutch, master clutch, cylinder, and few other things inside the clutch system: synchronizer ring, hub sleeve, hub gear, your gear, and the less gear oil. So these are the basic points I would like to share with you, why your manual transmission gear is becoming hard. So let me know in the comment section if you want more detailed video, because this was a very brief video about hard gear shifting. So let me know in the comment, I'll make a detailed video. Thanks for staying by.